In the fast-paced world of automotive repair, precision and safety are paramount. Advanced Driver Assistance Systems, or ADAS, are revolutionizing vehicle safety and performance. But these systems only work their best when calibrated properly. Calibration is required by manufacturers following collision repairs, sensor or camera replacements, windshield replacement, and wheel alignments. We specialize in accurate ADAS calibrations, ensuring every vehicle leaves your shop with its safety systems functioning properly. Our expert technicians use state-of-the-art tools and follow manufacturer specifications to deliver exact calibrations every single time. By ensuring ADAS calibration, you're not just providing safety, you're tapping into an additional revenue stream that your shop might be missing out on. Receive same-day turnaround, comprehensive documentation for insurance reimbursements, increased revenue for your shop, and enhanced customer satisfaction. Contact ADAS Made Simple today, where quality, expertise, and reliability drive success.